Update?
No.
Screw that. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Off the Big Screen. We're going to be playing a little bit of...
something pro fishing.
Bass Pro Fishing.
Something like that.
And there's barely any volume. Let's turn this bad boy up. Hold on.
Okay. What is this? This is like a game trailer? What is that? What is this? What game is this? What game is this? What game is?
What?
Fun. Fun. Is that the intro?
Is that the people who made it?
What kind of?
Okay,
What?
I got this idea. We're gonna make...
That doesn't make any sense. I would think that'd be for like a game. No, that's just our intro. This was never made into a full game.
That's such a waste of time for an intro.
Fish. They grab lure. Cast. Rapala, it's Rapala fishing. Don't hook yourself.
Okay.
I am very quiet. I like the music.
Fishing's a white man's sport.
Uh-oh. Look at these graphics. There's no frame jumps whatsoever. It's a 2-pound bass! I better rip its face off.
I got one!
Get the net, Jam! That's not very big. Rapala Pro Fishing.
Alright, let's start this bad boy.
2004, I'm sorry.
Wow, 2004.
It's a little more recent.
That was six
That's
years.
Stone Age.
Oh, what the?
Rapala!
Rapala!
Catches even on your TV. Lol. He's eating a rainbow. No.
What?
What the fuck?
That's like ninja kicking his body. Free fishing. Let's go free fishing.
I said no catch fish!
Put it down!
You want to fish it?
Yeah, I want to fish it. What kind of
Okay.
question's that? I'm playing this game for a reason, dickhole. Loading.
I really just don't want to play this game.
I don't want to play it either. Look at the... Ooh, rainbow.
Like Minnetonka? Minnetonka! This is my girl Minnetonka!
Man, she's got a Minnetonka.
Fish.
Okay, I just want to fish this. Come on. Oh, do I pull it back?
Breathing.
Hoorah!
Guess. Maybe you should look at some controls.
Oh,
Good.
got it.
Good job.
If you're trying too hard, just go ahead and recast.
Okay.
Okay.
Okie doke.
Okie doke, my
Sounds
friend.
good.
Oh, look at him. It's like John in baseball.
I don't think you're gonna catch a fish right there. I would cast away from a big yacht in front of you. Perfect. He has an ass. Look at that. Look at how shaped that is. It looks like he's wearing like girl jeans. That's
42 feet.
42 feet.
Great
Yeah, but-
cast.
Great
cast.
I have a total voice change.
I went from Canadian to gay. That was just a quality cast right there, my friend. Quality.
Look at all those fish.
That's like shit in the
Look
water.
at all that
That's literally.
shit. Look at all that fish shit.
Where's my fish?
We can see him.
Oh! Oh!
Jesus!
Yes!
82 feet?
I'm getting better at this game.
Good job, eh? This angle is pissing me off.
I know, it doesn't even like show you anything around it. It's
We
just-
better catch a fish.
This is just a terrible game.
Don't judge it. You've been playing for 5 minutes.
This is a terrible game.
I think I'd rather be fishing.
I think, yeah, fishing
Let's just go
sucks.
film us fishing.
Just out in my lake, just right out in the pond.
Out in the pond.
How do I look around? I want to change, like...
Your live well is empty.
Your live wells. What the?
What? You should change baits.
You should change bait.
Okay, I'm
Oh.
just giving you friendly. Ooh! You can view. Why don't you look down?
I'm trying. It won't go up.
Oh!
Oh!
There's a fish! I see a fish! Did you see that fish? He's coming towards you. Keep it reeling. Keep him interested. Keep him interested.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, buddy. You like that?
What is he doing?
He's wiggling it.
Whoa! Oh.
Do you see the fish? Oh, is he coming?
I wish it would keep the eye on the fish so I knew
I'd
if
like to know if the fish is still interested in my bait.
Oh my god! Oh my god! God, reel it! Reel the fish! Reel it!
Believe it.
You totally lost the fish, eh? He was a big ass fish too. Oh my god.
85. Oh my
Lost
god!
the fish.
You just lost that. Oh shit!
I'm gonna try to keep my cool.
It's fishing. You can't keep your cool.
That's what fishing is
It's
about.
always intense in fishing.
What's that? Just there's a
Oh,
fish.
I love how I can see him through the plants.
It's very realistic.
X-ray vision. Come on.
You better catch a fish before like this recording's over.
Yeah,
Because I don't know if we want to upload like a 32-minute
minute
video.
of us. Oh! Whoa! Look, the fish!
There's a big. Okay, really?
He's hooked.
Figure out line tension. Don't keep the line tension short.
What?
I think you gotta hook it.
I did hook it. It said it's hooked.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not according to what the empty fish on your line.
I just casted it 6 feet. I'm not too proud of that one.
I think your fishing guide takes us up the butt.
I'm pretty sure our fishing guy's a little
Just,
pissed off.
Can you? Oh, very close. He's very close too, so don't reel it in yet. Oh.
What the?
Very close to the boat.
He should come get the...
I don't think he's gonna get. Just he's not gonna like that.
Twitching the fish.
Twitching the bait, my friend. The lure.
Oh. God.
Rage!
What? Why can't I cast it anymore?
Quality 4 feet. What? You should cast better. What did he say?
You almost took my eye out there. Gosh.
Hey, silly.
Eh.
That's better.
There we go. Quality. Oh, 25. That's
better
not
than better than 6.
Shut up. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? I'm feeling a fish.
Give me a fishing. Woo! Are you interested in what I have on the line? Little fish?
Mr. Fishy, do you want to come and get my bait? Oh, look at it move. Look at
Thank
it
you.
move.
Come again.
Thank you. Come again. Get my fishy bait. Yes. Yes, fishy bait. Oh, shoot. Okay.
You need to cast farther.
I'll probably edit out half this stuff.
Just go rage! Yeah, we can just edit it. It doesn't matter. 68 feet. Oh, then one away from 69. Okay. Okay, sir.
You almost took my eye out.
You
Gosh. You betcha. Eh?
Yeah. Canadians. Bacon.
I'm a boot to catch a fish. I don't even know what accent that was. That was terrible.
Boot. What you talking about? Wiggle the fish. Wiggle the fish.
God, look at him go. Squirt! Squirt! This game's so bad. Oh.
Keep him interested.
Come on, you son of a nutcracker.
You fish?
Oh! You
Set it! You haven't set it. Set the line. You got her.
I got it! I got it!
Reel in. Oh, keep the tension low.
I'm trying! Oh my god! Oh, I don't know
You're
what
so
I'm doing.
close! You're about to catch a fish!
Oh my god!
Good. Keep it low. Keep it.
Oh my god! I don't know what it... Oh! Yes!
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 You got a fish. That's a big ass fish.
Oh my gosh!
4
Yes,
pounds.
I want to keep it!
Keep him.
That is the most attractive fisherman. Oh my god.
I caught a fish.
I caught a fish, guys. Guys. God, how did that fish miss his lips? Like, seriously, did you see his lips? They're like the size of my ass.
Or his ass.
Or his.
This is huge.
Okay, we'll call it quits. That's good enough. We caught a fish.
Okay.
We caught a fish. Oh gosh. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe over here. Click here, previous video, if you can see my finger. And thank you for watching.
Thanks.